This is the Mojoco Portable Clothes Dryer, and let's dive right in. When you receive your package, you'll find the main unit and the drying bag. We've also included a warranty card and an instruction manual for your reference. Let's get started. Setting this up is incredibly simple. First, open the top cover of the machine to find the power cord stored inside. It's important to pull the cord out now, as we'll be attaching the drying bag next. Once the cord is out, unroll the drying bag. You'll notice hooks on each of the four corners of the bag that correspond to dedicated slots in the machine. Simply align them and push the ends of the bag into the slots until they snap securely into place. Now, the dryer is almost ready. Before you start, always ensure the air vents are clear and unblocked to keep the machine running perfectly. You can hang the unit on any sturdy pole using the built-in hook, or you can use our specialized mounting bracket. Just secure it to a flat surface, tighten the grip, and you're ready to hang the dryer. Once you plug it into a power source, the machine will beep to let you know it's ready. The middle button is your power control, which allows you to cycle through two drying modes, Mode 1 for delicates and Mode 2 for thicker fabrics. We've also included a UV light button, which activates the sanitization mode for an extra layer of cleanliness. Finally, the timer button lets you set a cycle anywhere from 1 to 8 hours. To load your laundry, just unzip the bag and hang your clothes on the internal rack. After you're finished, packing up is a breeze. There's no need to remove the drying bag. Simply fold it neatly back into the unit, tuck everything in, and snap the cover shut. It's compact, convenient, and ready for your next trip. The Mojoco Portable Clothes Dryer is the ultimate solution for anyone needing a quick, hygienic, and space-saving way to dry laundry. Whether you're at home or on the go, it's designed to make your life a little easier.